figurines in the back to freak them out.
Especially when we whisper to them to make them think like we're talking.
Other than tormenting their brother, did the kids behave?
Of course they did. They're Grammy's little angels.
We're always on our best behavior when we're at Grammy's house.
That's only because if you behave, she rewards you with some really cool gift.
That's not true. Frankly, I'm insulted.
So did we get our good behavior gift yet?
Well, I was gonna unpack first. I guess I can give it to you now.
Yay!
You know what, Mom? They can wait.
Seriously, why do we even bother behaving?
Do you even hear yourselves? You shouldn't have to be rewarded for good behavior. Good behavior is its own reward.
And it is, Father. But is this really fair to Grandmother, whose one joy seeing the smiles on her little grandchildren's faces when we open her thoughtful gift?
How could you do this to your own mother? Shame on you, Tommy Salome.
Mommy, I'm sorry.
Sit down, Gift Salome. The kids are playing you. You can open that gift tomorrow.
And only if we get some of that grandma's house behavior in our own house.